the channel. I hope you guys had a fantastic night last night, because I sure as hell did. I had some wings from this new wing spot. It's called It's Just Wings. Fire, bro. Fire. But aside from having some fantastic wings, we have some fantastic news. As you guys can read the title, Beloved My Head. Yes, beloved. You know how we do it over here. We have a tire sponsor, dog. My whole life, I waited for this moment. Well, yeah, I did. I really did. This wouldn't be possible without the homies over at Hybrid Racing. They are the fam. They look out for me always. And in return, you guys support them, which then they support me. Big happy family over here. I was trying to think of a way to like introduce the tire sponsor of the, like do like a cool video, but I just couldn't think of anything. So yeah, dude, it's kind of sucks because this is big news, bro, and I wanted to share it in a dope way, but I just don't know how to do it. I guess if it was like a sports draft thing, they wear the jersey, and so I guess I could just do that for y'all real quick. So let me just put on the hat, you know what I mean? And yeah, y'all, you know what I mean? Oh. You see it, you see it. Oh yeah, Zosh, a part of Falcon? Hey, 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 hey. Yup, yup. Crazy enough, I've had the tires that I'm about to show you guys for the past, God, I don't even know how long. If you guys watch the homie Fred's channel, EGK Coupe, link down in the description box below. Go subscribe to the homie. I had got him a set of tires for his car, and people really didn't catch on about that. So I was like, all right, cool, I can still make my video. People will be like, oh shit, Zosh, bro, I'm proud of you, la la la. But the tires I'm going to be running on Christina until something else that Falcon releases is better than this. I'm gonna be on these. Say hello to the Azinis RT660s. I got them in 225, 45. The tires I have on now are some Ventus Hancooks RS4s. They served me well. You know, I got these tires when I bought my TEs, and they did its job. They're not that bad. But we running some Azini right here, you hear me? Team Falcon. I also want to give a huge thank you to the homie Steve for working with me on this, man, and you know, looking out for your boy, allowing me to be a part of the team, and hopefully I can, you know, do my part for them, and you know, get, you know, hopefully, you know what I mean, you know, y'all know what I mean, right? Yeah, y'all know what I mean. Bro, I'm super grateful and super blessed and super humbled to receive this blessing. Having a tire sponsor is like, that's very important, especially since how I want to do the whole, you know, motorsport thing of time attack racing, circuit racing, road course racing, all of that. And it's great to have support from Falcon, you know, right behind me to, you know, keep me, you know, gripped up, you know what I mean? Keep me protected with some fresh rubber. Guys, wear your rubbers. Or raw dog. That's cool too. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have said that. They also sent me a little swag package, you know what I mean? Welcome to the team, little package type deal. Got a Falcon shirt. Got the banner I need to hang on my wall. Got my Falcon banner. Got some towels. Got a lanyard, some stickers. And yeah, now that the cat's out of the bag, today's agenda is to swap out these tires for these. All right, all the wheels are off, ready to go. We're ready to go. And also my VP Racing oil jugs came in, not oil, but fuel tanks came in today. So we good to go. Now I wait on Randy, and then we're out. We're Audi 5000. All right, Randy boy just showed up. Time to load up and get her going. happened to the RSX, bro? You sold it? You bought this? Hey, this shit fresh. My dog. All right, so we here. I don't know if I can film or not.
You know, my machine, our shop.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots.
What's goody in the hoodie, my G? It is the next day. Today, agenda is to put back on the wheels, but first we're gonna do all new brakes. We're gonna suspension check everything, make sure all bolts and everything is securely tightened, all the bushings and everything is good. I know I didn't film it because, I mean, it's pretty, straightforward. I just replaced the brakes in the front, and I also replaced out my OEM, I wouldn't say OEM, I had some pads in the back since, last year when my caliper flew off when I was in Atlanta for Import Alliance. So I got my HPS pads in the rear, and yeah. Boy, look how good that tire look, Playboy. Ooh, can't wait. Track day is a couple days away. Right now, all I have to do in order to get the car running, I gotta order that RTF fluid. So I talked to my man Ernie over at Torco, and I won't have the products until next week. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and just order it off Amazon, get that 1-day delivery. I won't be able to drive the car until tomorrow, so I don't even know if the gearbox issue is fixed. I know it goes in the gear and everything, but I don't know if the issue is fixed until I drive the car tomorrow. So yeah, dog, I don't want to run synchro mesh, bro. Like, there's nothing wrong with it, but I did everything right this time. Let me just wait. Patience is a virtue. Let me just be patient. I should have ordered this shit days ago, but it's all good. What I'm gonna do right now is actually drop off the front bumper of the RSX and the front lip to go get painted again. Then once I get back from the paint shop, I gotta pick up nephew so he can help me bleed my brakes, because I need somebody here to pump while I bleed. And yeah. Content! Can we also admire how nice my RBC Galliford is, bro? Do you see how beautiful that wrinkle is? Oof. Oof, oof, oof.
Ice, 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 yeah.
Baby, the that nigga passed through. Every time I walk past you, I can see it in your...
Okay, so I made it to the paint shop. Quick update, it's gonna cost me more if I paint this bumper I have now along with the lip. So talked to Blake's homeboy, which is I guess another co-worker, obviously. He said it'd be cheaper, just buy a new front bumper for like $180. On eBay it's $182. They're painted for $75 along with the lip. So I'm looking at what, $230 out the door, $220 something, $230 tax cab. Best bet, buy a new front bumper and then drop off the lip to get painted and all that. So this was a big ass waste of time, but now that we know, you know what I mean? Use all your options, all right? So we're gonna go pick up nephew so he can help me bleed these brakes and then close out this video for once and for all. Made it back to the crib safe and sound. Got nephew in the house, he chilling before I need his assistance. Went to AutoZone, picked up some fuel line and a siphon hose so I can remove. I was gonna use a turkey baster, but I didn't want to get cursed out by my mom. Y'all know how that go. Obviously, I'm gonna siphon out all the fluid in there and then crack open the bleeders and, let it all drain out from what I blah, 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 blah. Attach this to the bleeder screws and yeah, just bleed brakes, bro. Like, y'all know the vibes, bro. Y'all know the vibes. But obviously, I'm gonna do that listening to some music, because this is, bro, new. Brakes are bled. Now I'm gonna bleed the clutch a little bit because my clutch fluid's kind of low. I don't know why, but I'm gonna bleed that, top off the brake fluid, and yeah. All right, turn it off.
Yep, it's about that time to check in. Oh, we checking in. Who? We checking what in? Yeah. Yo.
Ooh, big ass damn Pringles, bro. Mountain. It's slap. Ooh. I wonder what Katy Perry doing right now. That is the end of this video. I know the ending is so abruptly because I didn't show you guys the wheels on the car. Yeah, there's a lot going on. A lot. But all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Huge thank you to the homie Steve and David over at Hybrid Racing for making this possible, bro. I'm a part of Team bro. It's amazing, dude. I'm so glad I can finally share the news out and get it out there and, you know, bask in my glory, playboy. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy the video, please dislike the video. Nah, I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you guys. Be sure to check out Falcon Tire down below to get your tires situated. You know what I mean? I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.